Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic chatbot which is very useful for our research paper writing. So we will give some research prompts and let us check how it will respond for the research prompts and how it will be very helpful for our research paper writing. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as sources, and we are going to incorporate with grid connected system and then with EV charging station, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking technique in both of the renewable energy sources in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from them. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video, or you can check our website itps.net for registration in this workshop. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see Chatbot. So it is a chatbot, so which will be very useful for our content creation. So here you will be having attach option also. So first we will explore some research prompts. So generate an abstract for the research paper titled machine learning algorithm for cyber security. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how this Chatbot will generate answer for us. So here you can see that the abstract is generated. So abstract, so in this rapidly advancing digital age, cybersecurity has emerged as a paramount concern for organizations and individuals alike. So this research paper, a comprehensive study on the applications of machine learning algorithms in enhancing cybersecurity measures. The paper explores various machine learning techniques including supervised and unsupervised learning and their efficacy in detecting the mitigating cyber threats such as malware, attacks, unauthorized access. So like that it is generating a perfect abstract. So let us ask for an outline of a paper. So every AI chatbot has its unique option to generate the content. So it is generating a better abstract only. So let us explore with some outline. So generate outline for the same research paper. So just to give outline. So let us see how it will work. Yes, it is generating outline. First introduction, background on motivation. So in this you can see growing importance of cyber security, challenges in current cyber security measures, introducing machine learning as a solution, overview of proposed machine learning algorithm, brief outline, literature review, and then methodology, machine learning, proposed algorithm, implementation and evaluation. So next is simulation, case studies, performance metric, result and analysis, and then conclusion and future scope. So this is how the outline of the paper will be generated here. So in order to explore even more about this chatbot, so I have uploaded a picture. So in order to get explanation of a block diagram, so here you can see, so this is the picture I have, a block diagram I have uploaded here, that is a PV array, DC to DC boost converter, a load, and then a MPPT algorithm and PWM generator. So this is I have uploaded in this particular chatbot. So in this particular chatbot, as after uploading, I have given a prompt, explain the attached picture. So accordingly, it will generate that particular explanation of the that is picture. So you can see first one is the provided diagram outlines a system for optimizing power output from PV array using a DC to DC boost converter. Controlled by a maximum power point tracking algorithm. So here is a detailed explanation of each component and the flow of the system. So here you can see PV array, so it is explaining the component, first component PV array, next DC to DC boost converter, next you can see it is load, and then you can see that butterfly optimization algorithm, next PWM generator and switching pulse to boost converter. So power flow, it is also giving the system flow, power generation, power optimization, PWM control and voltage boosting. So this is how the content is generated. So here I am going to give another prompt from the above, or I can give make the above explanation in paragraph. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see whether it will generate a paragraph version. Yes, it is generating the content in paragraph. So like that you can upload whatever the images in your research paper, so you can upload here, and then you can get the explanation of the image instantly. It is perfectly also, so it is generating a perfect content only. So next important thing is that, so in this kind of tools just getting the explanation of the image, so there are many tools are available. So mostly Googlebot have started up this, that is Gemini Pro has started this explanation of image. So after that that is GPT-4o has launched in the last month. So the GPT-4o will be a better model to explain, to get the explanation of the image. So you can use GPT-4o model, or else you can use this kind of chatbot. So sometimes that is Gemini Pro will fail to generate a better explanation of the pictures. So like that you can use this kind of tools to get a better explanation of pictures. So another important thing is that, so you can upload your documents also, and you can chat with, or you can ask, or you can summarize that document also. That is how it can be useful for our literature review writing also. So you can make use of this option, and you can ask any general content also. Explain about the modeling of PV system with necessary equations. So like that I am going to give an input prompt, explain about the modeling of PV system with necessary equations. So here you can see, so it is generating, yes, but the equation is an incompatible form. So but you can make an idea using this chatbot. So here you can see equivalent circuit of PV cell output current, and then you can see photo current, and then saturation current, and then model implementation. So like that it is generating the content, but the equation shown here is incompatible. So you cannot use the equations, but you can get an idea or aware about the topic what you are searching for. So this is how you can use this hotbot. So give any input prompt you want, research prompt you want, it will generate a perfect answer for you. So you can make use of this chatbot to generate a better content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So there is no restrictions till now in this particular hotbot, so you can use it for free. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.